Now it's my turn to take you upstairs and show you the rest of this gorgeous home. In every home that we build, we like to pick a few moments where we splurge, and the staircase was it in this home because it's seen from the front door and the main living areas. And what we did here is we've used a light timber on the treads and balustrade, which matches the front door, and let me show you this. We've included a void above the staircase. We love doing that to allow natural light to cascade into the lower levels of the home, and we got a bit clever, so we curved the void to match the staircase handrail. We've used it again on the entry doors into the master suite with the fluted glass, just for that extra special touch, but to still give us some privacy. Welcome to the master suite. We have put floor-to-ceiling windows in this room because we wanted to bring in lots of natural light and maximise the views. We wanted views of the pool and the beautiful trees and swaying palms outside. We've used the VJ cladding again, but we just did it to half height in this room to elongate the space. And then look at this detail. We've got this aged brass chain here on the pendant lights, which tie in with all the tapware in the bathrooms. In the walk-in robe, this cabinetry might look like real timber, but it's not. It's actually laminate, and it was no more expensive than if we had have chosen plain white laminate. So it just goes to show that when you're trying to save money, you don't have to sacrifice on style. So in the master ensuite, we've used this fluted glass again, just like we did in the entry doors. We like to do that to create a real harmonious feel throughout the entire master suite. And I don't know about you, but I hate getting out of the shower and being really cold. So we did include these gorgeous heated towel rails, so you can just step out of the shower, grab them and keep nice and warm. We've used the Cato Lussie freestanding bath, which we've used quite a few times. It's a favourite of ours. And then over here we have this super sleek storage. So the shelf below is great for storing towels and baskets, but so we didn't leave ourselves short on storage, we included these gorgeous recessed mirrored cabinets. Now I can't leave the master ensuite without showing you these gorgeous floor tiles. We've laid them in a brick bond pattern just to make them a little bit different from the walls, and if you take a closer look, they've got this rough edging to them, which gives us that Mediterranean character. Into this bedroom, and we made sure it was big enough that we could include a single or two single beds, a double or a queen. We find that works best for resale because it will appeal to more buyers. Plus, we made sure to include plenty of storage, and we chose this accent profile on all the internal doors. The straight lines repeat the pattern of the VJ panelling that we've used throughout the home. We've included a separate toilet in here, so we didn't have to put it in this main bathroom. Now, between the mirror, the vanity and the shower, we've got curves in all the right places in this bathroom. This was originally a square shower, but we changed it and added this curve and used this gorgeous fluted travertine feature tile to bring texture. This is a first for us. We've finally used a back-to-wall bath. The reason for that is it saved us a little bit of space and makes for easy cleaning, but still gives us the luxurious look of a freestanding bath. We've done the same thing in this bathroom that we did downstairs and created two-way access. That way it can be used by everybody upstairs and acts as an ensuite for this bedroom. I want to draw your attention to the connection between the tiles and the carpet. This right here is exactly why we collect samples when we're making our selections. That way we can compare colours and make sure they're going to work when they're placed together in the finished home. This carpet here has the most amazing texture and is so soft underfoot. I love how much natural light streams into this bedroom, but possibly my favourite part, the direct access onto the balcony. Now back through here into the home office, which we've carefully located close to all the bedrooms upstairs. You'll notice we've used that VJ panelling again with these open shelves, which are great for stylish storage, but for practicality, we did include drawers to help keep things neat and tidy. So this is the last of the upstairs bedrooms, and you'll notice we've used a highlight window in this room, but when we were choosing our window coverings, we did choose a floor-to-ceiling sheer curtain just to add some softness and texture and make the room feel so much more luxurious. You'll notice the first thing you see in this ensuite is the vanity and mirror, because let's face it, that's a lot nicer to look at than a loo. For a timeless and sophisticated feel in this bathroom, we use the same wall tile and floor tile, and this happens to be the same color as the front porch tiles and the tiles we used around the pools. It always makes decisions so much easier when you can find a tile range that comes in a variety of shapes and sizes. We've saved the best until last, so come this way. Welcome to the upstairs lounge room. Now, when we were designing this home, Sarah really wanted to include a rake ceiling downstairs, but that was going to mean sacrificing floor space upstairs. So our solution was to include this amazing rake ceiling in this lounge room instead. The beams and the VJ paneling in this room draw your eyes up to the ceiling and completely transform the feeling in this room compared to if we had have just used a standard flat plasterboard ceiling. We've also included a wraparound balcony with views to the pool below. And that's a wrap for Dream Home 9, the Mariote Coastal Haven. Now this may have been our first coastal build,
but it won't be our last with Dream Home 10
just around the corner.